Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by signing into OneDrive so your photos link to a single account. Once signed in, install the OneDrive app on your device or open the web app. This gives you direct upload controls. Make sure you enable camera upload on mobile if you want automatic backups. Now, open the folder where you want the photos to live and choose Upload Files or Upload Folder to begin sending images. This first step creates the destination and starts the transfer. Once you've created a destination, choose how to upload. Drag and drop from Explorer/Finder, use the Upload button, or enable Auto Camera Backup on mobile. Make sure to organize as you go by creating folders or albums. Click New Folder or use Albums on mobile so retrieval stays fast. If you have hike or large RAW files, convert or compress them if upload fails. OneDrive imposes file size limits and prefers common formats. These steps keep your library tidy and accessible. You finish by confirming sync. Look at the OneDrive icon for progress and a checkmark when files are fully synced. Once done, make sure to verify a few photos open from the web app so you know originals are safe. If you use files on demand, remember some files may be cloud-only until you download them. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in, restart the OneDrive client, check your internet, and verify your account storage. These quick fixes resolve most upload issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.